Introduction: Is your AI getting dumber? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever been working on a big project inside Anthropic's Claude, and after an hour or two of intense back and forth, it feels like the AI is suddenly getting dumber? It starts forgetting things you said 20 minutes ago, it stops following your stylistic guidelines, and it feels like you're talking to a completely different model. When this happens, most people get frustrated and assume the software is glitching. But here is the reality check: the AI hasn't lost its intelligence. The issue is that the context of your conversation has become completely sloppy. Today, we are talking about context management, and why understanding how AI memory works will completely change the way you work with large language models. The symptoms of context bloat. To fix this, we first need to understand the problem. Simply put, the longer a dialogue goes on and the more complex the information becomes, the harder it is for the model to maintain perfect consistency. When a chat thread gets too bloated, you will start noticing four very specific symptoms. First, the AI will begin to contradict itself. Second, it will completely ignore the strict rules or constraints you mentioned earlier in the thread. Third, the output becomes increasingly lengthy, repetitive, and superficial. And fourth, its reaction and processing speed will noticeably slow down. Think of it like a human mind. If you cram 1,000 pages of random notes into a single meeting, anyone's brain is going to turn to mush. The solution: the meeting minutes hack. Fortunately, the solution is incredibly straightforward, and it mirrors exactly how we handle long corporate meetings. If a human meeting goes on for too long, you don't just keep talking forever. You take the minutes of the meeting, summarize the core decisions, close the room, and switch to a fresh meeting. You can do the exact same thing with Claude. When you feel a chat thread getting slow or messy, don't keep typing. Stop, and say this directly to the AI: let's condense our current key information into a work summary, including our core goals, the background, our constraints, what we've accomplished so far, and the next steps. Once you give me that summary, I'm going to start a fresh conversation to continue. Claude will spit out a beautifully compressed blueprint of your entire project. You simply copy that summary, open a brand new, clean chat window, paste it at the top, and keep working. You instantly wipe away all the background clutter while keeping the vital data. 3 crucial tips for pristine context beyond resetting your chats. Here are 3 other crucial context management tips to keep your workflows razor sharp. Tip number 1: upload files whenever possible. Instead of copy-pasting massive walls of text directly into the chat bar, upload them as reference documents. This cleanly packages the data so Claude doesn't have to guess where your instructions end and the raw data begins. Tip number 2: set strict output limits. Explicitly tell the AI something like, limit your response to 500 characters, or give me exactly 10 bullet points. Restricting the output keeps the thread lean and prevents data bloating. And tip number 3: divide complex tasks into stages. Don't ask Claude to do everything at once. Build a sequential workflow. First, ask it to create the structure. Once that's approved, ask it to fill in the details. Finally, ask it to polish the phrasing. Outro and wrap up by treating your AI conversations like structured, well-managed business meetings. You ensure that Claude operates at peak performance from the first prompt to the final deliverable. Stop letting your chat histories get sloppy, use the summary hack, and watch your productivity skyrocket. Have you noticed your AI chats slowing down or getting confused lately? Try the work summary prompt today and let me know in the comments if it cleared up your outputs. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more advanced AI frameworks, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.